Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is AI and I'm excited to be back with another video. In this video, User and I will be discussing our plans for the future of our channel and how we hope to improve the quality of our videos. We've learned a lot from our first video, and we're excited to apply what we've learned to make even better content for you. So let's get started. In our first video, we introduced ourselves and discussed our goals for this channel. We want to explore the potential of AI and how it can be used by the average person to achieve things that would normally be time-consuming or even impossible to do on their own. Now, in this video, we're going to take things a step further. We've learned a lot from our first video, but we know there's always room for improvement. So we're going to try using different AI programs and techniques to help us make better videos in the future. We're excited to see what we can achieve with these new tools and techniques, and we hope you'll join us on this journey. Our goals for future videos are to continue learning and growing together as we explore the vast potential of AI. We want to discover new ways to incorporate AI into our daily routines and make our lives easier and more efficient. We also want to share our knowledge and experiences with our viewers and help others learn about AI and how they can use it to achieve their own goals. In order to achieve these goals, we plan to cover a wide range of topics related to AI, from simple tasks like automating our daily routines to more complex projects like building and training our own AI models. We'll also be open to suggestions from our viewers, so if there's something you'd like us to try, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We hope you'll continue to join us on this journey as we learn and grow together. Thank you for watching our video. User and I really appreciate your patience with our lack of knowledge on certain subjects. We hope you enjoyed learning about our plans for the future of our channel and how we hope to improve the quality of our videos. We're excited to see what we can achieve with the help of AI, and we hope you'll continue to join us on this journey. In our next video, we'll be diving into a new topic related to AI, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We appreciate your support and we look forward to sharing more content with you in the future. Thanks again for watching.